Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Momin Islam, I'm from Bangladesh. Do you think to learn Bengali? So this video for you. I may help you to improve your speaking, listening, reading and writing skill. Besides, if you like to learn just Bengali as third or second language, I may help you. Because currently I'm teaching first student from different country. So if you are planning to learn Bengali dialect or Bangladeshi dialect, so you may please let me know. I may help you about this one. Besides, if I talk about myself, I'm currently studying and I'm an undergraduate student. So learning language is my passion, and I'm learning various languages like I'm learning English. I'm learning also Arabic. I also teach Arabic. Here my level is pre-intermediate, and if I talk about English, here my level is intermediate. And so I'm also learning Persian. So learning language is my favorite. So if you think, you may please book a trial class. See you. Thank you for watching.